Hey, if you've been trying to figure out how to get more traffic and better rankings on Google, then let me take a minute to tell you about my brand new 2-day Optimizing Your Site for Google class that I'm giving here in Tampa on September 24th and 25th. It's actually part of my new SEO Secrets Revealed Bootcamp series that I'm now offering here. And during this 2-day bootcamp, I will personally show you the tactics, the tips, and the techniques that I use for my own websites and for those of my client that can help you start getting found on Google. I'm going to work directly with you in class to help you actually make changes to your website while you're sitting there. And these changes that we work on together are going to give you and your website the best shot at improving your rankings in Google, Yahoo, Bing, and the rest of them. You're going to walk out of class after that second day with your website in a better position to do better in Google than it was when you walked into class. Not only are you going to get 2 days of great instruction and information, but you're also going to get 2 months of post-class mentoring. So when you're out of class, you're not left hanging. You can reach out to me through text, through email, through phone, get your questions answered, get some advice, get an opinion on something you're trying to do. Just, be able to extend that training out that much further. Just a little extra bonus. You're also going to get 2 weeks access to one of our favorite SEO tools that we use all the time for our own clients and we recommend all over the place. We're going to keep that a secret for now, but once you get to class, I'll show you what it is. So why don't you go ahead, hit that register button right now, sign up for our class. It's only $497 for both days and the 2 months of mentoring. Again, September 24th, 25th, 9 to 5, Optimizing Your Site for Google, our SEO Secrets Revealed Bootcamp. I look forward to seeing you guys then. Take care now.